So you've pulled your AP360 tool into two pieces. And you start by removing the 3mm Allen screws from the top plate of the tool. After we've undone those, lift off the first plate and then lift off the second plate. Now we're left with this. The next thing to do is to remove all the deselection pins from the tool. After removing all the deselection pins, we lift up the pins and roughly line them up with the holes in the tool, and then let the top plate fall down into position so all the pins should be sticking out of the top of the tool. Then with a little wiggle starting at one end, we should be able to start the pins, and once we've got a few down, they all should push back into the holes in the lower base plate. When you've got them all flush, we then need to lift the tool up and just put something in to hold the tool up. Once we've done that, we can use something to go down the hole and push the pin all the way down as far as it will go. Once we've done that, we can then start refitting the deselection pins. And once you have all the deselection pins back in, the next piece is the square plate which goes on, making sure that the through holes that are offset line up with the offset thread holes, and the T plate goes on the top, again making sure that the offset holes match the offset holes. And then we tighten them back down. And your AP360 tool is reassembled.